Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. This is about a precious dua that will bring you rizq if you're jobless or if you are in need of money, and the reciter will be bestowed with shifa from disease. When to recite it, and what does that mean? This is what we are going to learn today. Inshallah. La hawla quwwata illa billah. It means there is no power nor strength except Allah. This is a person's admission that he is unable to do anything without the help and support of Allah. No matter how great his power, energy, and strength may become, a person still cannot do anything without the help of Allah, who is above all of his creation, the most great, compared to whom nothing else is great. Every strong person is weak when compared with Allah. Every great person is insignificant and weak when compared with his might. It is one of the Jannah's portals, as per Tirmidhi, and one of the Jannah's riches, as per Sahih Bukhari. Therefore, whoever loves it will enter Jannah. The individual who recites this dua will be relieved of his trials, anguish, and difficulties, since it is the medication and cure for 99 disorders. According to a riwayat or a story, every time you say this dua in its entirety, an angel descends to bestow shifa onto you. Whoever carefully recites it every day would be secure from 70 spiritual tribulations and afflictions. If someone attentively recites it, Allah will erase his poverty and make him self-sufficient. Allah will erase the poverty of the individual who recites La hawla wala quwwata illa billah 100 times every day. Reciting it will bring you rizq or sustenance. And if you are jobless and without work, reciting it will open several avenues for rizq. So what are we waiting for? Let us make it a practice to recite this dua daily. May Allah accept our deeds and grant us goodness in life and in hereafter.